Let me explain. 3 reasons why traders tend to change their strategies. And number one of them is, one, they have learned a lot. Look at this. When you tend and you learn every single strategy, you come online when you start trading, you go into strategies, you dive deeper, you want to see which one works for you. You try, this is not working, and at the end of the day, it delays your trading success. But after you gain consistency, you'll be like, but it seems this strategy was better fitting my style. That can be true, but this has led a lot of traders, including me myself, to change strategies on our way. So pro traders tend not to say this, but it is one of the secrets they have kept to themselves for a very long time, because they have students they would never like to open it up. When you ask them, they tend to find one way or the other to hide the secrets. Today I'm about to reveal to you the secret. So we have always been learning during our stage of trying to get this strategy to see if it is working, or if it is not working, you'll be like, let me just get things done, let me see which one is working. No, this one is working. No, this one is not. You have gone through every single thing of them, and at some point you feel like, why don't I just leave this one and go to this one? Maybe 3 months into the strategy you're already giving up. 3 months into the strategy you're already giving up. Then when you get consistency, you change a strategy again. Yes, this time you are consistent. So this trader answered this. Let's go to number 2. They have suffered enough. We have traders who have been using one strategy for a very long time that they are not gaining consistency with it. Then they'll be like, I'm giving up. On their way giving up, they meet another strategy and they start to change their lives forever. This has happened to a lot of traders, and I can't mention many because I have not actually getting this voice from their mouth. I just tend to see their charts and how they have evolved over the years. I mean, traders I have been with. I have been with traders who have traded SMC and finally traded patterns, and finally is trading support and resistance. Yes. And this shouldn't shock you at all. It happens that trader has gotten stopped out multiple times. It happens that the capital of that particular trader doesn't suit the strategy he's trading. Perhaps you are using a strategy that gives you only 50 pips every time, and you are having $100. You'll be like, 50 pips every time, and you are 55%, 50% profitable with 1 to 2 risk to reward. Fine, that might not blow your account. But if you are the type who takes lesser reward or more break evens, then you're going to lose this account. So these are some of the reasons. So you will tend to see that a lot of traders will change, then they'll evolve and get a different way to approach their capital, in a sense that they don't lose their mindset off of trading. Now look at the last one. They got tired of always the same thing. So you might have understand this. As a human being, you go to the same school, you completed the same school, same name, you went to the same college, you went to the same university, all with one same name. How will you feel if that is the thing? You got up, you grew up with your family. All you do is every day get up, you take breakfast, you move out with your mom, your dad, you go to a place to sit to relax at the same point. You're not changing any place. When it's time for beach, you go to the same place. When it's every single thing, food, you are eating the same food all the time. Yes, you get fed up. You're always going to get tired of things. We are always going to get tired of a lot of things in this world, that we will tend to change our personality and our lifestyle when we have the opportunity. So these are the main 3 reasons why traders change their strategies, and I hope this helps you. This is not a long video, just a short one to make sure that you enjoy and you understand reasons why you might have changed your strategy on the way and why you should not at some point. Yeah, see you at the other side.